Okay, now let me show you the AI studio. So it's going to be a bit longer, the video, because there's a lot to talk about in these modules. We basically have 4 modules under the AI studio. That's 4 ways you can interact with the AI. The first, we have AI generated product photography. This is like one of the simplest ones to use and one of the most powerful. So it's also very easy to use. All you do is that you just upload a reference image, up to 3 reference images of the same product. Then you select a template. You can see we have fashion templates, we have food templates, we have electronics templates, we have furniture templates, you have retail templates as well. So you select the item, you upload the reference item, you select the template you want to use. Then we have Gemini AI options. So these are not required, but depends on how you want your output to look like. You can change the style, the background, the lighting, and the aspect ratio meaning if you want your images to come out as square or landscape or portrait. Then the process is very easy to use, so I'll show you how to use it, but let me just go overview. Let me do an overview of the entire AI studio. The second module is much more powerful, but it's a bit more manual, although you still don't need to type any. Typing is optional, you can still use templates. So the multi-image composition, here you have different modes under it. You have manual, basic fashion, styled. We are still going to add more modes under it, like for retail and furniture as well, but currently only have for fashion. So let's say fashion basic. You select your item, maybe the clothing or the shoe. Then you add a model that you want to use. You can add 2 images of a model, but you can also skip it, so the AI will just generate on its own. You can also add a background to the image. So once you add all this together, it's going to generate an image combining all these items that you added. They also have fashion styled. The fashion style is a similar concept to the fashion basic. The only difference is that here we have predefined preset templates that you choose from. So you just add the clothing item and your model you want to use, then you just select the style you want. It's going to generate for you. The third module under the AI studio is image editing. It's just a simple image editor. You add one image and tell the AI what to do. There are no templates. You have to tell it manually what you want it to do with the image. Then we have flyer and poster generator. So we are still working on this, but what it's going to do is that you can generate flyers and posters by just giving it images and then giving it the content you want, like the header and the body and your call to action. So now let me just show you briefly how you use this the AI studio. Let's start with the first module, the AI generated product photography. This is what most people use. So like I said, you can add up to 3 reference images, but one very good image is enough. So I've selected it. Let me select my image reference. There's this shoe, these slippers I took a picture of. I've uploaded it, reference image uploaded successfully. Then I'm going to look for, we have different templates, including templates for shoes. We have them here: shoe showcase 1, shoe showcase 2, and then shoe try on and shoe rack display. So let me try shoe try on. So what it's going to do is going to place the shoe on someone's foot. So as for the options, I'll just leave everything as it is, or let me just change this one to this, just to mix it up. Then process, that's all. Select image, select template, and just process your image. Generation is complete. You can see. Let me download the image and zoom it on properly. So it has generated the image. Open it here. You can see placed it in a model's foot. So if I go back and also say, okay, instead of this this template, let me try that template. Let's say shoe showcase, and process. Okay, generated successfully. You can see it here, although I should have changed the background. This background doesn't suit it. Let me just change it to a clean studio background and process. It's going to look better. Okay, see now how it looks. It looks much more professional. You can see the shoe is completely visible, including the branding of the shoe is 100% accurate as well. So like I said, you just need a good quality a reference image to get a very good result. Now let me try with like a piece of clothing. Let me add a reference image of let me say, let me use this item. Okay, this dress. So let me say, try it on a bar, try on casual female wear. So let me say luxury style, lifestyle scene. I'm just doing this randomly, so which means there's a lot you can do with this. So I'll just select random, dramatic. Let me make it a portrait image, then process. The image is processing. Okay, you can see how it brought it out depending on the presets I chose, right? So I could have maybe the background, if I change it to white background or studio background, you see it's different. So I choose lifestyle. So it depends on how you use it and how you prefer your images to come out. So you can see the item came out very well. You can re-edit this is any at all times. You can also re-edit a result you get. For example, if I click re-edit this result, once I click, it's going to, I can be able to change the dress from maybe red to white or blue, or change the model skin tone to say maybe darker and so on. So let's say reloaded for okay. So let me enter. I've entered it. I've selected the button. I would say change the dress color to white, change the model's skin tone to black. I'll process the image. That's generated successfully. You can now see the model's color has changed to black, and also the rest has changed to white. So I think I'll stop this video here. Then the next video will be on the multi-image composer, which is much more powerful.